Thutha wa mihango ya guikia kura ceceni-ini iria irari miena ngurani bururi-ini, utaraniria wa kura ici urakinyaniirio giikaro-ini kinene kia LSK guku Nairobi niguo gwetha murugamiriri mundu murume wa kiama mawakiri bururi-ini thiini wa komiconi iria irugamiriire ruhonge rwa magoti bururi-ini JSC. Ucindani munene kihitahitano-ini giki urari gatagati ga Ojienda uria niwe urari giturwa-ini giki na Macharia Njeru uria hau kabere wari murugamiriri wa IPOA. Mihango ya gutaraniria kura irathire na mbere nginyagia thutha wa thaa 3 cia utuku kuria maumirira ma muthia maronanirie Macharia Njeru niwe urageire na kura iria nyingi ari na kura 2,738 arumirirwo ni Ojienda na kura 2,545 nake Charles Ngoto aragia kura 123.
By these provisional results, the candidate who garnered the highest was one Wakiri Macharia Akiaria thutha ucio Njeru ni eranĩire kurugama na kiranĩro giake gia kambeini ya gutigirira ati maundu mothe ruhonge-ini rwa magoti ni makinyanirio na njira ya uigĩrĩrĩki.
We will wait for the final declaration by ABC. We have no issue at all with that. In the meantime, I urge all of us that we take it with humility, knowing that we are one profession. We do not want to divide our profession. And more importantly, we want to not only have that declaration of results very soon, but to also get into the business of ensuring that we can get to JSC and do the right thing.
Thutha wa kwamukira certificate ya muthia, Macharia Njeru ni akuhitithio na gutuika commissioner wa utungata wa ruhonge rwa ucirithania, wira uria akuruta kwa ihinda ria miaka 5 yukite. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.